Number 28.
Last quarter.
Mr. Bolfa.
Salcedo versus
The
Burungan.
beaten run.
Last quarter.
Number 3, Sony. With a foul. For the Victor, Burungan. The ball goes back and big final si Quintailos. To number 3. 3-point. Na-rebound number 3. Nag-penetrate. Kuray layap. Na-rebound number 22. Na-block. To number 9. Nasa Jermaine. To Laloy. To points. To Bigan. Pasangan to. Number 71. 28 of Salcedo. Salcedo 50s. Oy, nag 3 points. Na-rebound na number 45. Number 71. Number 90. Yung balik ang bola. Number 45. Warren Azul. Rebound number 22 to number 28. Number 28 shakes. Using the board. Yep. That's Dima. Number 51. Madami na tamang transition. To number 90. Turn around. Number 71. Nag-attempt. Nag-ihap. Rebound number 20. Pasa. Nakuha ni Sony. Pasangan to number 32. Waray nag-ihap. Na-rebound na number 45. Gindoso. Dahan-dahan lang po. Do personal foul. Katulong team foul. Number 29. To number 90. To number 71. And the long pass. Opo. To number 28. He fakes. Long pass to number 3. And the Euro step. From number 3, 2 points. Tutulong na natin na bow. Number 1 pa ni Laloy. Bina lang ng Rimagoso. Ipasa number 0. Ngatong 22. 2 points again. Sana lang ang bow. Number 20. The fourth quarter man of Salcedo. Taps again. Good rebound. A follow-up shot. Not good again. Then pass to number 70. Marcos loses the ball. Una now. To number 35. To number 90. Kalanot na. 14 shot clock. Basket! Number 90. Tulong na naman yan nabaw. 8 minutes. Last 8 minutes. For the final quarter. Number 28 to number 0. 3 points! Pareho na lang ang score. Basket again. Lamang na naman Burungan. 2 points.